DPP50113 and this is my matric number.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Alif bin Muhammad Armansyah. This is my matrix number.
Hi, my name is Siti Aisyah binti Zulkifli and this is my matric number. Wait, kerja insurans hari tu kau dah siap tak?
Tak siap lah. Borak-borak pasal insurans kan. Kau nak fikir lah. Kalau one day, so kita tak ada kan. Siapa yang jaga kita punya family? Kesian family kita.
Yelah, aku pun macam terfikir juga.
Wah, kau rasa ada insurans yang bagus tak? Ataupun kita patut ambil insurans lah?
Aku rasa ada.
Ada? Insurans apa kau rasa?
Aku dah dengar yang term insurance.
Macam bagus kan?
Semoga bergema sampai selamanya. Dunia pasti ada akhirnya. Bintang-bintang pun ada umurnya. Maka tenang saja kita di sini berdua.
Hi guys, anda tahu tak apa itu term insurance? Term insurance is a type of life insurance that provide coverage for a specific period of time, like 10 years or 20 years. If policyholder pass away, their family will receive a lump sum payment. Yang disediakan oleh term insurance antaranya ialah it's affordable with a low premium, provide high financial coverage, support your family future dan juga cover your expenses like education, loan dan juga daily living costs.
Korang dah tengok kan video tadi? So, in conclusion, we can say that term insurance is a simple and affordable protection plan for a specific period of time. It provides financial support to your family if something happens to you during the coverage period. However, it does not have savings or investment value, so it mainly used for protection plan only. So, marilah sama-sama kita dapatkan term insurance sekarang.